Model, 2012 Ford Transit 100 T260 Trend front-wheel drive, starts drives needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 163143. MOT, the 29th of December 2025. Engine, 2198cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job and you'll have a nice Transit, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.